Contact the galley 1. Fire alarm on the galley. During the routine shift, a fire alarm goes off in the ship galley. The officer on duty in the control room quality team. Captain, what happened?
Officer, Captain, there is a fire on our acetylene room.
Captain, announce. Attention, all hands. All hands, this is Captain Magtaas. This is Captain Magtaas. There is a fire in acetylene room. There is a fire in acetylene room. Proceed to the master station.
This is Chief Officer Omo. Count off.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
This is Second Engineer Likot. Second Engineer Likot said, my duty when there is fire is to support the chief engineer in managing the fire.
This is Third Engineer Sasi. Sir, I'm duty when there is a fire is to ensure that initial machinery and system are operational and functioning correctly.
EB Pasos, sir. And my duty when there is fire, I'm also one of the firefighters who goes in.
Okay, proceed to your designated area.
Captain, ship this is motor vessel Pinagpala. We are on fire. We are on fire. Request all vessel in the vicinity to take precautionary action and radar assistant if necessary.
This is engine team. This is engine team. Radio check.
Captain, radio check. Engine team loud and clear.
Engine team. This is engine team power supply in the fire area has already switched off over.
Okay, confirm. All supply in the fire ready switch off.
This is attack team 2. Firefighters ready to attack. DRAB and EB over.
Captain. Captain, start firefighting.
Attack team, fire Grace, this is attack team, fire extinguisher. I repeat, fire extinguisher, over.
Copy. Extinguisher check in sign of regulation in case of the fire. Firefighting.
Attack team, fire Grace, this is attack team, fire extinguisher. I repeat, fire extinguisher, over.
Copy. Extinguisher check in sign of regulation in case of the fire.
Backup team, Bridge, this is a backup team, sign of regulation.
Cause of fire was faulty wiring. Sir, over.
This is Captain. Okay, all team drill dismiss.